Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of ValueCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me here on my media channel, and today we are going to be unboxing this limited edition Steelbook for Furiosa, a Mad Max saga. This was one of the movies that bombed and really put the fear of God into people that the box office was probably not going to recover. Now, since then, we have had huge hits with Inside Out 2, Deadpool and Wolverine, and even a surprise hit come out of things like Long Legs and It Ends With Us, which good for you people for seeing original movies. I'm disappointed you didn't see this one, because this was a pretty darn good movie, and George Miller is directing at the top of his game with these Mad Max movies, and as a result, that Wastelands movie he worked on and wrote probably won't get made, but oh well, that's also just how the business runs. This movie is not in 3D, unlike Fury Road, which is a little disappointing, but it's in 4K. Here's this limited edition Steelbook, and the cover is of, well, you know what that's a cover if you've seen the movie. Now on the back we have the information. There are special features on this. Fury is born. I love it. Advertising the digital movie, everything like that. And so let's open it and let's see what this Steelbook looks like on the inside, because Steelbooks are by far one of the most fun things to open. That's not a box set or something of that nature, because yeah, they just are. And of course they're limited edition, so some of you who might have missed your boat, if this is now rare, I'm taking out the code because I plan to redeem it, this might be your only chance to see it. So alright, like it already, I mean, I still don't like how there's lack of information like running time and ratings unless you look really closely, but I like the artwork here. I like that they made an attempt at artwork. That's the 4K disc. Now the Blu-ray has the same artwork, just in a different color, and I'm a little surprised that they didn't do this like blue and black, but hey, I'm happy seeing different colors, so I'm not going to complain too much. And here's what the inside of this looks like. Really cool image. And on the back, yeah, that's really cool. Now, it does mean if you stretch it this way, it doesn't actually match up to anything, but whatever. I mean, que pasa, que pasa, right? However that term goes. So we put that in, and it's like, so that is what the Furiosa, geez, I'm already getting fingerprints on this thing. That's the ADD part of me, but oh well. So that's the Furiosa, a Mad Max Saga Steelbook 4K. I don't know where you can get. I got this from Groove, and I guess Amazon might have it as well. Best Buy doesn't carry these things anymore. But that's what it looks like for those of you who, you know, maybe this is out of print and it's now a lot of money. You want to see what it kind of looks like, either without paying for it or get a sneak preview. There you go. I am curious, do any of you have this movie? What do you think of this movie? And do you like this packaging? I would love to know. So comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies.